Not everyone loves being on camera, but that shouldn't stop you from sharing your message on YouTube. Just look at these YouTube Faceless channels that are pulling in tens of thousands of views a month. In today's video, I'll show you how to tap into that trend by creating AI-driven videos with hundreds of avatars options, turning photos into talking clips, translating them into multiple languages, and even cloning yourself using Wondershare Virbo. These tools let you make content anywhere, anytime, while your AI doubles show up polished, professional, and camera ready. Everything before this point was actually using an AI avatar generated by Wondershare Virbo. Let's take a look at how this tool works. There are several ways to use Virbo. You can use it online, download to your Windows, or on a mobile app. Today we'll focus on the online version. Click Start Online for free to sign in. Once you reach the dashboard, you'll see main features at the top. Avatar video, talking photos, video translation, and URL to video. You'll also find all the Virbo's AI tools in this section. Let's begin by creating an avatar video, something like this.
Hey, I'm Angie, your go-to AI avatar for those bad hair days, which I have never had. Want to know how you can create me? Then stick around and let us show you some AI magic.
Let's make one from scratch. Click Avatar to explore different avatar options. Some have a fixed background, some are background free, so you can place them anywhere. And a few even support 4K resolution. Let's pick an avatar, hover over Create Video, and choose the desired aspect ratio. Now you're in the editing studio. On the left are your main editing tools. In the center is the video preview. We can readjust aspect ratio here if we change our mind. And on the right, we can see the script and voiceover settings. The timeline below shows editing elements. Not sure where to start? We can select a template to kick things off. Virbo has plenty of theme templates. Clicking a template adds it to the timeline as an additional scene, so you can customize further. The page now looks weird because this template is designed for a background-free avatar, and the avatar I have here has a fixed background. If we change our mind about the avatar, we can choose again from the wide range of avatar options. There are video or photo avatars to choose from. Photo avatars have only subtle head and lip movement. It works if you're going for a talking photo effect. For something more unique, you can also create your own custom avatar or upload your own photo to animate. I think this one looks nice. Let's click and replace the existing avatar. Use the view mode icon to switch between full body, circle, or half body views. Under background, feel free to swap in an option from the built-in library or upload your own. Let's pick this one with a light animation. To add text, open the text section and drop in style you like. While it is selected, use the bar up top to change fonts, styles, and we can also add simple animations here. There are also animated stickers and elements in the sticker library we can add to the canvas. Under music, we can add background music from their library or upload our own music. If the elements in the library are not enough for your project, you can also import your own media to complete our video creation. Let's adjust this image to fit our design. We can also create AI-generated videos or audio, such as custom soundtracks, right inside Virbo. Down here, we can expand the timeline to see each element on the canvas and drag the edges to adjust when each element appears or ends. As you move the time cursor, you'll see how the animations and timings line up. On the right side, you'll see the panel to generate the voiceover. We can generate an audio from text script or upload our pre-recorded audio. Let's try text script to create the audio with text. One option is to input our own custom script, but if you need some help from AI, we can use the AI script feature to open the chat window. Write me a new script about a cat winning a marathon. The AI will generate a script based on your input. You can refine or edit it using the provided prompt option below or by giving additional instructions by typing in your requests. Once you're satisfied, click Apply to add it to the script. Feel free to edit the script to match your brand's voice or replace it entirely with your own. If you want to reach more audience with your content, select AI Translate and assign a target language. Then click Apply to insert the translation into the script. It's a quick and easy way to produce multi-language videos. After finalizing the script, choose an avatar voice from many available languages and accents. We can also filter to narrow down the search, and even upload your own voice to create a clone. Select the voice you like. For some, we can make other adjustments to the sound. Once we're ready, we can hit play script to sync the voice with the text.
Breaking news in the sports world.
This one sounds good. Click the play button to preview. Don't worry if the lip sync doesn't show up during the initial playback. That happens after exporting. When the video is ready, click export and Virbo will process everything, matching the audio to the avatar's lip movement. Here's the result.
Breaking news in the sports world. A ginger tabby named Marmalade has just completed a full marathon.
This is very lifelike, but I feel like the hand gestures of the avatar are a bit too exaggerated, and it's probably not too suitable for the content, so I changed it to a more serious avatar.
Breaking news in the sports world. A ginger tabby named Marmalade has just completed a full marathon. Spectators report he maintained a steady pace, stopping only for short naps and head scratches. The small cat had no prior training and only his short legs, making this story even stranger. He reportedly enjoyed the crowd and is already registered for next year's run.
And this one's a lot better with more generic hand gestures. So the lesson is that the avatar you select does matter since they all have their own unique movement. This is definitely usable content without the artificial vibe that sometimes steals the attention from the message. The whole process is less than 10 minutes and now you can easily create something like this to be the spokesperson for your content without you having to do it yourself.
Step into the game universe with Virbo, your AI transformation tool.
Make your photos speak and bring your pictures to life with text or audio input.
You've probably seen lots of talking photo styles videos on Shorts or TikTok. With this tool, you can easily turn any photo into a talking video. To start, go into Talking Photo. To create a talking photo, we can upload our own image, generate one using text prompts, or choose from the available portrait options in their photo library. Let's pick a photo to start. In the Talking Photo dashboard, first we can put in our script. To assist in script writing, under we can use AI script, translate the script, insert pauses, upload audio for the voiceover, or clear all text here. Now we need to choose a voice and click play script to listen to the audio. And we can adjust other settings if needed. Here we can also add subtitles and the background music. Once everything is set, click create video. We'll be prompted to choose between two quality modes. Standard can render faster but produces more static visuals. And Pro offers a more lifelike appearance with more movement and they also support cartoon images. Hit create video to generate.
Oh, thank goodness. I was starting to think my only purpose in life was to be stuck here as a boring JPEG photo. Now tell me, what burning questions do you have for my crystal ball?
Here is one with a cartoon style.
Are you new? I'm pretty sure I know everyone here. Well, if you're lost or need something, I'm the class president, and I'd be happy to help you.
I think the lip sync is pretty spot on, and now with just a few clicks, we can make any photo talk and deliver the message for us. After so much effort into making a video, you may want to maximize the return on investment by reaching more audiences in other languages. Let me show you how it works. Under Video Translator, upload your video and select both the original and target languages. Check the options for lip sync. If you hover over the example, you can see the suggested type of video to use. Check subtitles and let's also check proofread the script so we can have a look at the script before it is generated. Finally, click Translate this video. After the transcription, you can edit the translated script as needed. Make your changes in the target language, then click Translate Video again. In just a short while, you'll have a version that keeps the original voice and accurately syncs the lips in a different language. This is the original. Rumor has it, if you like and subscribe to this channel, then you'll have good luck all year long. And here are the translations.
このチャンネルを気に入り登録すると一年中幸運が訪れるという噂があります。La rumeur dit que si vous aimez et vous abonnez à cette chaîne, vous aurez de la chance toute l'année.
Wow, the lips seem to be so perfectly synced to the languages. And the only thing to pick from is that the look of my lips seems to be altered a little bit. But I guess if you don't look at me as much as I do every day, it's probably not easy to spot. But other than that, the lip sync is perfectly executed. Sometimes you want your real face on screen, but you don't always have the time to film yourself. That's where an AI double comes in. If you like to create a custom avatar, click Create Your Avatar and then Get Started. You'll see two pay options, a light version and an advanced version. Right now, there's a discount, so you have $99 for light and $299 for advanced as a one-time fee. The advanced avatar offers improved lip sync, 10 voice cloning options, and a green screen feature. Just pick your plan and follow the instructions to get started. After purchase, you'll receive a link to build your custom avatar. Be sure to follow the guidelines and consider downloading their PDF for detailed steps. Keep in mind that Virbo only lip syncs the spoken portion of your footage. Any head or body movements look exactly as recorded. Avoid cuts and edits to prevent jumpy transitions in mid-sentence. And you want to keep generic gestures and nothing too dramatic. Upload a high-quality clip of about 1 to 5 minutes, submit for training, and select the voice clone language. And expect the light avatar to take about 24 hours, while the advanced avatar usually takes 3 to 5 days. When your avatar is ready, you'll find it in the avatar section. From here, creating a video with your own image follows the same process used for any other avatar. Here's the result of my avatar video. I think I look pretty real. Can you tell the difference? Let me know in the comment below. I use my own audio for this clip since the text-to-speech feature can't quite capture my accent yet, but other than that, the lip sync is super natural and smooth. Now let's talk about pricing. The monthly plan starts at $19.90 per month, but if you opt for the yearly plan, it's less than $50 per year. For commercial use, the best option is the advanced plan, which gives you 300 minutes for under $200 annually. I'm showing their pricing plans on the screen for your reference. Depending on your needs, Virbo can be a cost-effective solution for your projects. And that's how easy it is to create professional, lifelike video without ever showing your face. Now there's no excuse not to make the video you've always said you want to make. If you'd like to try creating your own avatar on Virbo, you can sign up with a free account using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.